Hello, everyone.
Hello, friends.
Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, thank you for joining us.
Maybe you are listening while cooking.
Maybe you are driving,
Maybe you are studying.
or maybe you are relaxing with a nice cup of coffee.
Whatever you are doing, we are happy to practice English with you.
Today's topic is very useful.
Very useful.
We will talk about using English at work,
Using English at work.
slowly
Clearly.
and simply.
Don't worry if your English is not perfect.
Nobody is perfect.
Not even us.
That's right. Sometimes I make mistakes too.
Me too.
Making mistakes is part of learning.
So relax and enjoy the conversation.
Before we begin, please like this video.
And subscribe to the channel.
That helps us make more English lessons for you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Donna,
Yes, Wilbert.
let's talk about work.
Good idea.
Many people use English at work.
Some people work in offices.
Some people work in stores.
Some people work in restaurants.
Some people work in hospitals.
And some people work from home.
English can help us communicate.
Communicate means to talk and share information.
Very good explanation.
Thank you.
Now, Donna, imagine this.
Okay.
It is your first day at a new job.
Oh, I feel nervous already.
Many people feel nervous on the first day.
That is true.
What is the first thing you say when you meet a coworker? Do you know?
Maybe I say hello.
Perfect.
Simple and easy.
Let's practice.
Okay.
Hello.
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 Good.
Very easy.
Now let's make it a little longer.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Donna.
Hello, my name is Donna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Let's repeat that.
Good idea. Hello, my name is Donna.
Hello, my name is Donna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Excellent.
These are very useful phrases.
Especially on your first day.
Yes.
Now let's imagine a real conversation.
I like role plays.
Me too.
They help learners practice.
Okay, let's begin.
I'm ready.
Hello, my name is Wilbert.
Hello, Wilbert. My name is Donna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you work in this department?
Yes, I do.
Great.
Welcome to the team.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Very nice.
Very friendly.
Now, listeners, let's practice together.
Please repeat after us.
Hello,
Hello.
my name is.
My name is.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to the team.
Welcome to the team.
Excellent work.
You are doing great.
Now let's talk about another common situation.
What situation?
Asking for help,
Oh, yes, that happens every day.
especially when you are new.
I remember my first job.
Really?
Yes,
What happened?
I did not know where the printer was.
Oh no.
I walked around the office for 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yes,
Did you find it?
eventually,
Where was it?
right behind me.
That's funny.
I know.
Sometimes asking for help is easier.
Much easier.
Let's learn some useful phrases.
Great.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Where is the printer?
Where is the printer?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Very useful.
Very useful indeed.
Let's make a conversation.
Okay.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course.
Where is the printer?
The printer is near the meeting room.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Easy, right?
Very easy.
Listeners, repeat after us.
Slowly and clearly.
Excuse me,
Excuse me.
can you help me?
Can you help me?
Where is the printer?
Where is the printer?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Wonderful.
You are learning English step by step.
And every step matters,
Even small steps.
especially small steps.
That's true.
Now let's talk about asking questions at work.
Many people are afraid to ask questions
Why?
Because they worry about making mistakes.
But asking questions helps us learn.
Exactly.
Here are some useful questions.
Let's practice.
What should I do?
What should I do?
Can you explain that again?
Can you explain that again?
Could you speak more slowly?
Could you speak more slowly?
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
These phrases are very important.
Very important.
Let's repeat them one more time.
Repetition helps learning.
What should I do?
What should I do?
Can you explain that again?
Can you explain that again?
Could you speak more slowly?
Could you speak more slowly?
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Excellent job, everyone.
You are practicing real English.
English you can use at work,
English you can use tomorrow.
or even today.
That's exciting.
Very exciting.
And we still have much more to learn.
In the next part, we will talk about meetings, phone calls, emails, talking to customers, and speaking with your boss.
So stay with us.
Keep listening
Keep practicing.
and keep believing in yourself.
You can do it.
Before we go, answer this question.
Yes.
What kind of work do you do?
Or what job would you like to have in the future?
Tell us in the comments.
We would love to hear from you.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Take care and keep practicing English every day.
Bye-bye.